Hey guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. Excited to be talking to y'all today about one of my favorite topics, which is the fact that locks are just dirt cheap if you do them yourself. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to stick around. And yeah, let's get into it. So when you think about getting your hair done, probably the first thing you think of is how much is it going to cost me? So one of the things that I truly enjoy about my locks is that they really don't cost me anything. Besides my time and energy, they really don't cost me any money. In the 5 years that I've had my locks, I've probably spent maybe like $200 on my locks, and that includes a big purchase. That includes spending $100 on a hooded dryer. I had to buy aloe vera gel, and the first bottle that I had, I think it might have lasted me at least 2 years or maybe even longer. Shampoo and conditioner, setting foam, rubber bands, things like that. But really, I would say $200 is probably what I've spent. Maybe like, let's say maybe $240 just to be conservative. But beyond that, there's really nothing else that I buy. When you think about it, if you go to the salon and get your locks done, locks retwisted or your hair done or whatever, that could be anywhere from, $80 every 2 weeks to $200+ depending on what you're getting. So when you add that up, that's thousands and thousands of dollars over that 5-year period. I wanted to talk about this because I recently started listening to Dave Ramsey on YouTube and his podcast, and it's kind of like changed my life. It's changed my view of so many different things. So if you don't know, Dave Ramsey is a financial coach, and he talks about paying off all your debt and committing to never go back into it. And it's really like a whole just lifestyle change. And watching that, it's made me be really grateful for the fact that I do my hair myself. Now, I don't know if you know Stacy Flowers here on YouTube. She is also following Dave Ramsey's plan, and she talks about how she shaved her head so that way she would not have to worry about hair expenses. Now, she is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful bone structure, so she can totally get away with it. I don't think I could get away with shaving my head because I got a big forehead, so I don't need like extra skin up here. We got a lot up here already. I just feel like if you are very budget conscious, locks are a great way to go if you're doing them yourself. And I feel like having locks is cheaper than doing your loose natural hair too. Like, I remember being a loose natural and having just an abundance of products in the bathroom, trying to find what would give me the perfect twist out, perfect definition, all that. When you have locks, as you know, you can't really be a product junkie, so you kind of avoid all that. You find something that works, you use the simplest product possible, at least I do, and that saves you money. I also think that if you're in college, locks are a really good investment. If you can start locks in your freshman year, by the time you graduate, your locks will be mature. I mean, you'll be 4 years or however long it takes you. Your locks should be mature and should have a nice length to them. So I think they're a good option for college students. I would say the downside is that when I need my hair done, I need it done bad. Okay, but overall, I am thankful for the fact that I don't have to budget anything with my hair, really. It just kind of frees me up to do other things, to focus on my goals, and to just live my life, And let me be clear, I'm not saying that locks are a style for broke people. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that you look broke if you have locks. I'm just saying if you're budget conscious, locks are a good style to have, without having to actually shave your head. And this is also not to say don't patronize salons. It's not anything like that. But if you're moving a bunch of money around trying to go to the salon, then you might not be able to afford it. If you're dropping $180 on your hair every 2 weeks and you only have $100 in your savings account and you have a $5,000 credit card balance, you gotta reprioritize some things. So if you can commit your time and your energy to doing your hair yourself, locks are a great investment, a great way to lower your monthly beauty costs. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts about this in general. So once again, please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and thank you for watching.